Ah, the thrill of travel. There's nothing quite like the anticipation of packing bags, the sweet excitement of checking boarding passes, and the delightful anxiety of knowing that in just a few hours, you'll be miles away from home. However, add a toddler into the mix, and travel takes on a whole new dimension of chaos, comedy, and challenge. Meet Tim and Jane, parents to a pint-sized adventurer named Ethan. He's 2 years old, has enough energy to power a small city, and a curiosity that could rival the greatest explorers of all time. Tim and Jane are seasoned travelers, but even they are no match for the pint-sized whirlwind that is Ethan. The chaos begins long before they leave the house. Just packing the essentials like snacks, toys, diapers, and outfits for every possible scenario, rain, shine, snow, or an unexpected mud puddle Ethan may dive into. Jane has learned that traveling with a toddler means accepting that half of her suitcase will be filled with tiny shoes and toy dinosaurs. When they reach the airport, Ethan finds it to be a playground of magic and wonder. It's not a surprise when he toddles away in pursuit of something fascinating, leaving a trail of squeals and giggles. Tim and Jane develop a knack for toddler wrangling, a skill akin to juggling while reciting the alphabet backwards. During the flight, Tim and Jane deploy a secret weapon, the ultimate toddler travel kit. This includes stickers, coloring books, and a tablet filled with Ethan's favorite cartoons. Tim whispers to Jane, "It's all about distraction and diversion." They nod in agreement, sharing a moment of silent victory when Ethan is momentarily entranced by an animated monkey. And then, the inevitable meltdown arrives like a mini tsunami. Ethan decides he'd rather scream than sit still for another moment. Jane knows this moment well and calmly navigates it with a treasure trove of snacks, a comforting plush toy, and a tried-and-true method of toddler negotiation that involves lots of patience and hugs. Landing is an adventure in itself. Ethan is now captivated by the sights outside the airplane window, the airport bustling with life, the taxiing planes, and the vast expanse of runway. Road trips offer their own brand of excitement. As they buckle Ethan into his car seat, Jane knows there will be questions, hundreds of them, each one more curious than the last. Why is the sky blue? Are we there yet? Can I have my dinosaur? Every mile is filled with wonder and the occasional innocent demand. They deploy similar strategies on these journeys. There's music to sing along to at the top of their lungs, audiobooks with tales of adventure to captivate a young mind, and frequent stops for running races in grassy rest areas. Join us in our next journey.